Next problem, if a certain job can be finished by 18 workers in 26 days, how many workers are needed to finish the job in 12 days? This is another kind of proportion problem, but different from the previous example because this is an example of inverse proportion or indirect proportion. So, iba yung solution niya dito. So, the answer here is letter C. So, paano ang solution dito? Ang 18 workers daw, ano natin, 18 workers daw, kaya magtrabaho for 26 days. Now, assuming W are the number of the workers, ilang workers ang idadagdag mo or ipapatrabahoin mo para matapos for 12 days. Okay, for 12 days. So this is now your equation. 18 times 26 equals W times 12. Divide both sides by 12. So you cancel this. So matitira mo W equals 39. Okay, so 39. Now, one way is simplify first before you multiply. For example, ang 18 at ang 12 are both divisible by 6. So, 12 divided by 6 is 2. Ito, 18 divided by 6 is 3. Sunod naman, yung 26 is divisible by 2. So, meron kang 13. So, ito lang ay mamultiply mo. 3 times 13 will give you 39. So, ang ibig sabihin nun, kung ang 18 workers kayang matrabaho for 26 days, magdagdag ka ng workers para matrabaho lang for 12 days.